Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Brother Ronelo, the Army of God. My videos for today is singing worship song through all of you. Kakanta tayo ng mga praise and worship ngayon guys na makaka-relate po kayo na kung saan ito po ay papasok sa inyo, magkakaroon kayo ng ng idea na maging isa rin kayong Kristiyano. Magkakaroon kayo ng idea kung bakit ito kinakanta at kung ano ang meaning ng nasa loob ng kanta. Ito guys, para sa inyo. Wait lang po para po ito sa inyo guys. Ito po ay para sa inyo guys. At para rin po sa mga mananasalan. Changing our life through Christian worship. I lay my life down at your feet. You're the only one I need. Turn to you and you are always there. And all times it's you I see. I put you first, that's all I need. I have all I am, all to you. One way, Jesus, you're the only one that I could live for. One way, Jesus, you're the only one that I could live for. You are always, always there. Every how and everywhere. You wake up on your feet, you within me. You will never, ever change. Yesterday, today, that thing. Forever till forever meets no end. One way, Jesus, you're the only one that I can live for. One way, Jesus, you're the only one that I can live for. One way, Jesus, you're the only one that I can live for. One way, Jesus, you're the only one that I can live for. You are the way, the truth, and the life. You live by faith and not by sight. For you, we're living all for you. You are the way, the truth, and the life. We live by faith and not by sight. For you, we're living all for you. You are the way, the truth, and the life. We live by faith and not by sight. For you, we're living all for you. You are the way, the truth, and the life. We live by faith and not by sight. For you, we're living all for you. knows what I like to live for. Shout out nga pala guys sa ano.
Pero wala pang feeling? Sagot ka namin with FP later. Magkano tayo?
Shout out nga pala sa ano. Shout out nga pala sa pinsan ko na nag-ride ng Maxi, Francis Salgado. Shout out rin po sa ng ate ko na naging videographer ko, si Camilo Luis Vergara. Shout out din po sa pinsan ko na si Francisco Argado na editor ngayon ng aking vlogs. At shout out din po sa pinsan ko na si Jonathan G. Vergara. Shout out din po sa kay Kuya Romel si Roma. Shout out din po kay Ate Milen. Shout out din po kay Evelyn Vergara. Nag-shout out din po sa mga kaibigan niya na naging kasama namin nung pumunta kami. Nung last time pumunta kasi kami sa Maltanog Falls. Shout out nga pala sa inyo, sa mga kasama niya kay Ste at kay Christine. Shout out po sa inyo guys. At shout out na rin po sa naging tour guide namin doon sa Maltanog Falls. Please like, subscribe, and click the notification bells para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs ko. See you guys. Bye-bye.